Environmental cooperation between Russia and Norway is based on an agreement made in 1992. Norwegian and Russian politicians, managers, and researchers meet annually in the joint Norwegian-Russian Environmental Commission to discuss environmental issues and to adopt or review the Commission's work program. Today, the main purposes of the cooperation are to contribute to the comprehensive ecosystem-based management of the entire Barents Sea and to update and improve our ecological knowledge base for the area. Key projects are joint understanding of ecological status and trends, identification of valuable and vulnerable areas throughout the year, and cooperative environmental monitoring. The main objective of this report is to provide a comprehensive description of the Barents Sea ecosystem using relevant scientific knowledge from Russian and Norwegian managers and scientists. The report is aimed at groups such as decision makers, professionals involved in ecosystem-based research and management, and journalists. It presents the main findings of expert groups addressing the current status of the Barents Sea ecosystem, including climate, plankton, benthos, shellfish and squid, fish, marine mammals, seabirds, threatened and introduced species, fisheries, oil and gas extraction, and pollution. This report contributes to the scientific basis for further development of a coordinated ecosystem-based approach to the management of human activities affecting living resources in Norwegian and Russian territories of the Barents region. The development and implementation of ecosystem-based management plans require extensive information about various components of the system and their dynamic interactions, as well as information about the effects of human activities on the ecosystem. Maps of valuable marine areas are based on data from assessments of biota in coastal and offshore areas and predefined selection criteria. Often, a marine area is designated as having high environmental value when it is important for preserving the diversity, productivity, and special functions of the ecosystem in general. Valuable areas are significant elements in integrated marine management and appear as key elements in many marine planning processes, such as development of environmental protection strategies for valuable areas, assessments of vulnerability of selected areas, maritime spatial planning, ecological monitoring on different levels, state and industrial, models of marine ecosystems in the region, environmental impact assessments of various human activities. Currently, the objectives of a joint project are to facilitate a consensual management of the Barents Sea valuable areas. Initially, this is done by comparing methods and criteria used for identifying valuable areas in the Barents Sea on the Norwegian and Russian sides. Important habitats for birds, fish, benthic organisms, and marine mammals are jointly identified and mapped. This detailed knowledge will provide a better basis for managing the marine areas. Environmental monitoring is a key component in the environmental management of the Barents Sea as a joint marine area. In 2015, a joint report listed 22 environmental indicators intended for implementation in the joint Norwegian-Russian monitoring program for the Barents Sea. A major part of the proposed program is based on indicators already used by the joint Norwegian-Russian Fisheries Commission. Monitoring results will contribute to evaluating the future management needs of our common marine areas and resources. Initiatives will be taken towards harmonizing monitoring methods, undertaking cooperative monitoring activities, and developing environmental quality objectives